Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to use the Crunchbase for lead generation. So if you're looking for an easier way to find potential clients, investors, startups, or fast-growing companies, then you've probably heard of Crunchbase. But here's the problem: most of its powerful lead generation features are only available through a paid subscription. So if you're like me, um, and I don't have the access to Crunchbase Pro, don't worry. In this video, I am still going to explain what Crunchbase is and how professionals use it for lead generation, its biggest advantages, and how I can apply the same strategy even if you're using the free version of simply researching before subscribing. Okay, so let's get started. So, yeah, first is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to visit the crunchbase.com website, and you would be redirected to this website. And then first is you would be asked if how will you use the Crunchbase. So for example, sales prospecting, and others. So yeah, I'm just going to select a random option right here, and then just have to tap on the next option. All right, so this is the actual website. Okay, so here they also have a free trial. Okay, and then you can also ask Crunchbase to for you to be able to understand more inquiries. Okay, so again, Crunchbase is one of the world's largest business intelligence databases. So instead of searching company information one website at a time, Crunchbase gathers business data into one platform. So it includes the informations like the company profiles, the industries, the headquarters, employee size, founding dates, funding rounds, investors, acquisitions, leadership teams, and company website. So businesses use the Crunchbase to discover new prospects, monitor the competitors, identify investment opportunities, and research fast-growing startups. So if you're in sales, digital marketing, recruiting, consulting, SaaS, or B2B services, this type of information can save hours of research. So the biggest reason professionals use the Crunchbase is that it helps them find targeted leads instead of random business. So imagine you're selling marketing services. Instead of emailing thousands of companies, you can focus on a business that are actively growing. Okay. So yeah, for example, companies that recently received funding often have new budget for marketing, hiring, software, website development, business consulting. So those businesses are usually more likely to invest in products or services because they're in a growth stage. Okay, and that what makes the Crunchbase valuable. It helps narrow your search to companies that fit your ideal customer profile. Okay, now how professional use the Crunchbase. So even though I cannot really demonstrate the paid features directly, but here's the typical workflow goes. Used by sales professionals. So first, they search for companies within a specific industry. Okay, and then for example, like real estate, healthcare, construction, financial technology, artificial intelligence, and e-commerce. So next, they apply filters such as country or region, company size, company funding stage, number of employees, funding year, and industry category. So this narrows thousands of companies down to a much smaller list of businesses that match their target market. And after that, they review each company profile to learn more before reaching out. And the next is the advantages of using the Crunchbase. So, yeah, why so many professionals subscribe to Crunchbase Pro? So, you might consider these advantages. So, of course, the number one is saves research time. So, instead of searching Google for every company individually, Crunchbase organizes the business information in one place. So, this can save hours every week. and find growing companies. So yeah, one of the Crunchbase's biggest strength is its funding data. So if a startup recently raised millions of dollars, there's a good chance they're hiring employees, purchasing software, investing in marketing, or expanding operations. Next one is better lead quality. So rather than contacting random businesses, you can focus on companies that actually match your ideal customer profile. So better targeting often leads to better response rates. So next is competitive research. So Crunchbase isn't only useful for finding clients, you can also study competitors. So for example, who invested in them, how much funding have they raised, how industries are growing, which companies are expanding rapidly. So this information can help shape your own business strategy. And yeah, it is great for multiple industries. So Crunchbase is not just for sales teams. It is useful for recruiters, investors, venture capital firms, startup founders, business consultants, marketing agencies, and freelancers. So anyone working with businesses can benefit from having organized company data. Next one is if you don't have the access to the paid versions, there are still ways to benefit. So you can use the free version. Okay, so we have that right here. So to explore the company profiles and understand the platform's interface. And you can also combine publicly available information from company websites, LinkedIn, news articles, and business directories to research potential leads. And as your business grows and you need more advanced search filters or larger lead lists, upgrading to Crunchbase Pro may become a worthwhile investment. So let's see, for example, I'm going to ask about Crunchbase data like the Pro, Plan Pro, or the Pro plan. Okay, Pro plan. Just type it right here, Pro plan. Okay, and then after that, you would be able to see here now the data for that one. Okay, so you have that right here. So you just have to read it and then you can ask more questions. So yeah, Crunchbase is especially useful if you're running a marketing agency, selling software, offering consulting services, looking for startup clients, doing B2B sales, recruiting talent, researching competitors, and looking for investors. If your target audience is businesses rather than consumers, Crunchbase can become a valuable part of your research process. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.